a freestyle poem for you. Feeling overwhelmed and a little bit depressed because my chronic pain makes my life such a mess. I used to do drugs. Every day I would get high. Instead now, I marvel over slugs. And every day my pain makes me wonder why. Why does Jesus make me suffer? Why does it have to be this hard? I can't think of a rhyme for the word suffer. But I know right now, my life is hard. Did you see how I did that there, neighbors? There are so many projects that need to be done. And with everything breaking, life is no fun. I want to give up, and I don't know what to do. Except get high, neighbors. Would you like to know how I'm gonna get high? No, I don't cut myself. No fret. I don't like that kind of pain. I don't do heroin anymore. I can't smoke weed because it makes me hurt worse. Ace the Arborist has his 200T here. And I just cut with it like a week and a half ago. And so, I got 200T fever, neighbors. I have down here Adam Hayes. Nope, shit, sorry. Rob Weaver's 028 Super. And next door, Adam Hayes 266, which is what I really should be working on. But I hurt so bad, and I just don't feel convicted to work on that behemoth right now. I have wanted to, but for some reason can't. So, I have Steel MS Fever, neighbors. What's in the box, neighbors, you ask? Would you like to find out? I have purchased something from eBay, and we'll unbox it together. The funny thing is, I'll probably title this so you already know what's in the box. Oh, look at these arseholes. Don't do this to people, neighbors. This is terrible packing. Why would you do me that dirty? That's just wrong. So dirty. Filthy, vile, dirty, disgusting packing. Shame on you, neighbor. eBay neighbor. That's what you get with eBay. At least they wrap the bar in cardboard like I usually try to when I have it. But all this newspaper is terrible. It's going to get all over my chop. Damn it. Don't like it. There's our bar for our saw. That's in this box. Apparently in a bag. Okay, let's see if we can get the bag out. I feel a container. That must be a chain. And a coffee container. Okay. I don't want this stuff to go everywhere. Let me just get some of this newspaper off, neighbors, and you can let the anticipation build. Okay? I really don't want this all over my shop. I really don't want it all over my clothes and my house and everything else. I would like to contain it right to this box and dump it straight to the trash can outside. So we'll contain as much of it as we can. Matter of fact, it looks like the top of the bag is right here. Dun, 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 dun. I ordered Folgers, neighbors. Apparently there's some parts in here. Okay, can you see? Does that look familiar to you? Do you know what that goes to? I can tell you right now I do. Do you know what this goes to? I can tell you right now I know I do. Okay, that being said, moving on. Sorry, neighbors. I'm tired as hell. Like I said, I hurt like hell. Okay, here we are. This is zip-locked. Go ahead and open that up. And what we have is a broken ass MS200T. It's supposed to be an MS200T that fires with a shot. Here's Rob Weaver's saw. It is definitely not in good condition. Shall we take a look and see what the hell we got going on real quick? Because now I have to know. You see, this is why I didn't open this, because I knew what would happen. Okay, guys, messy camera view, sorry. Here we go. I'm gonna glove up real quick. Basically, this is all missing. That's a $30 mount right there. Okay, the gas cap is broken. This is broken. Now the dog wants in, even though she wanted out. It's not broken, the screw's missing. Hello, fatty buntings. We're looking at how we got done dirty, as usual. Even though we can't breathe because we're in pain. I don't see how one even tries to see if this fires off with a shot. Look at that. I mean, what the hell are you supposed to do? Okay, this is not broken, fortunately. But there is a screw broken down inside the AV mount. Okay, so that being said, the only way I'm gonna know, yeah, there's oil and gas and all kinds of stuff all over this thing. How the hell does one even get this damn thing open? I'll definitely have to go examine the pictures more. Definitely smells rancid. Okay. 100% rancid. I really want to tear this all down. I knew this would happen, damn it. Stay tuned and look forward for the teardown of this 200T. There's our muffler. Sprocket looks like chit. It's got a chain catch that looks like it's never had a damn chain hit it, actually. That's kind of interesting. Do we have another gem? It's the arborist. The sprocket looks like chit. But it does look original. Can't tell. I really am curious about a lot of chit now. I knew this would happen. I knew this would happen. It has a steel clutch. It looks really clean. I mean, it does. It doesn't look heavily used. It just looks... Damn, I want to see the piston, though, neighbors. If I recollect, we can see... the muffler can come off, and I think through this hole, we can see a little bit of piston. Should we do that? Screw it. Why not? We'll do that real quick. Damn, no, I don't even have my drills here. Boy, you guys, it's so tough working between the two buildings and everything else, the construction, the pump house, all that good stuff. So, yeah, that's going to be it. You guys, stay tuned, damn it. Now I've really left you with a cliffhanger, but I didn't do it on purpose. Or did I? Am I really crazy? Do I really suffer like I say I suffer? Am I really bipolar like I'm acting bipolar? Oh wait, do I act bipolar or am I bipolar? Am I an alien? Are you an alien? Is this an alien? Do you read palms, neighbor? Would you like to read my palm? Am I really this weird and crazy? Or is it all just a show? Stay tuned and find out, damn it, neighbors.